This is the final results for today's video. It is just made a navbar using React Router. It's fully responsive and it also closes when you click on each one. Cruises page, we got an about page, and we got our home page. And also here, we got destination and contact. And when you click on the logo, it takes you back to home. So yeah, if you guys want to check this out, if you guys don't feel like watching the whole video, just check out my GitHub and peace out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is day 39 of my coding journey. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be starting that React project that I've been talking about for the last few days. Don't want to waste any more time. Let's just get straight to it. So, already got some stuff open. I have React Router open because I'm definitely going to need to look on here for reference because I'm going to create the navbar with React Router. I got Font Awesome open because I want to use some icons from here. And this is the color palette that I'm going to try to use. Don't know if this is going to be the final colors though. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Let's go ahead and create the app. And so npx create dash react app, and we're gonna name it Tripper. So yeah, this might take a while. Alright, so it finally finished. That took longer than I expected. So let's get started. So I got my notes. I had to go grab some coffee, which I'm halfway done already. And yeah, let's have some fun, man. Let's get it. So I'm gonna, what I like doing, instead of doing that change directory, I just go ahead and just open the entire folder. So let's go to projects and let's go to Tripper. Let's just open it up. And first things first, let's start clearing out all this extra stuff because I'm gonna be honest, this should be just confusing if I keep all this stuff here. So let's go ahead and npm start. npm start. My computer's been running really slow lately. I don't know what's going on. Maybe because I have way too much stuff on it now. I'm not too sure. And I don't know why that opened. It always opened in two browsers. I tried to fix it, but it still opens like that. Let's go localhost 3000. It's gonna take a little bit to start up. While that's going though, alright, so perfect. So I like clearing out all of this extra stuff. So let's go here. We could probably just shift and just, so we don't need that. We don't need the logo. We don't need index, CS. Let's just remove these three first. And we don't need index CSS. Let's go to index.js and remove that. I'll remove strict mode. I don't know what that's for. My instructor said he was going to tell us what it's for. He still haven't showed us yet. But yeah, he said it's very important in some cases, so not really too sure what that means. Alright, so app test, we can remove that. App.js, remove this logo. And remove everything in a return. I don't know why I'm talking like this as a tutorial. Alright, so let's add a h1 and just put like anything. Let's get it. Hopefully we can see that. Alright, perfect. Alright, so what I like doing is, well, what I found out is the way you set up your React is totally up to you, because that's one thing that really confused me when I first started learning, is like seeing my bootcamp do it this way, then look at a tutorial online and seeing this guy have his folder set up a certain way. And so it's just like confused me. So I found out, it's totally up to you. Like the outcome should all be the same. So what I like doing personally, and I don't think I've seen this done yet, is in the app CSS, this is just going to be used for all my universal styling. So, for example, I'd remove all of this extra crap and just, do the normal reset. So padding 0, margin 0, and the box sizing thingy. I like doing that. And that little HTML trick that I always talk about. This makes, 1 rem equals 10 pixels, just so it's easier to calculate. So HTML font size 62.5%. And let's do some more reset. So text decoration none. And I'll do some LIs. List style none. So that should be all of the styling needed here so far. Not really. Can't even tell the future, so might need some more. Alright, so that's that. And I can remove all of these. I'll remove all that later. Don't really need it right now. First thing I want to do now is let's open up our bash terminal, and I'm gonna install React Router. npm install react-router dom at 6.4. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. It shouldn't though. React Router normally doesn't take that long. Alright, perfect. So that's completed. Let's go back to my node. Alright, so I don't know what I want to do first. Everything just flowing through my head right now. So I might just go ahead and start creating like some folders. So let's go ahead and create the components folder. And I want to create another folder. Let's do pages. And another folder. Not that inside there. Another folder, assets. This is like for all my images and stuff. So I think that's good for now. And I'm going to create some pages. So I'm not too sure what the page is going to be yet. So for now, I'm just going to like do the normal crap. So let's do home.js. I probably should just do the ones that's going to be inside the nav bar for now, because obviously it's going to be more pages. It's going to be, stuff you can click on and go to that page that's not necessarily in the nav bar. So I probably should just do the nav bar. So we're going to do destinations. That's one. Destinations.js. And do about.js. Probably contact.js. And maybe one more. Let's see. So we got destinations. Let's go to our little reference site right quick. See what they got. I'm not about to add all their stuff though. They got a bunch of stuff on theirs. Alright, so yeah, see they got a bunch of shit. So I might add cruises. I mean, destination, cruises. What else is here? Blog, contact us. Yes, I'm gonna do cruises. Let's do cruises. That sounds nice. So cruises. Make sure I spell it right. How you spell cruise? Cruises. How you spell it? Cruises.js. Alright, so these are gonna be my nav bar. Make sure I spell it right. Cruises. Alright, perfect. All right, exit out that. Actually, I'm gonna keep that up. Move this over here. So I got everything open that I need. All right. So I'm gonna do the little normal thingy, RCFE for all of these. RC, what is it? RFC? RFCE. 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 And RFCE. Alright. Let me make sure I'm recording, bro. It was one time that I was so pissed, but I didn't even upload it because I didn't feel like doing it. I was working on a fuck what it was. It was like a little like fast project dealing with React Router. It was a nav bar, not the nav bar that I made already, but I created like a floating nav bar, and I got it here in my folder. But it took me like an hour and a half to do, and I thought I was recording, and I wasn't. So I definitely got to keep making sure. So I was just like, fuck it. All right, so cruises, destinations, that. All right, so components. First thing I want to do is. All right, so here's the question. Do I want to put. Actually, that's what I'm going to do. Since, you know, the way you set up your React is totally up to you. I'm going to do folders inside my component. So I'm going to do navbar. And inside here, I want a file. Wait, what? Inside here, I want a file. It's going to be navbar.js. Why is it? Oh, okay. It's in there. Alright, and okay. I don't know why it's showing up like that though. Okay, and then this one is gonna be navbar.css. Alright, I think that's see this gotta go in there. So move that. Alright, perfect. Alright, and since maybe if I add another folder, maybe let's do hero. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? You know what? I'm just gonna delete this for now. Cause I don't want to waste time and make this an hour-long video. So for now, let's wait, hold on. Okay. Yeah, this is like wrong. I don't know what the fuck's going on. All right, so let's just create it in here for now. All right, components, navbar.js, and navbar.css. Navbar.css. All right. So yeah, let's get it. Let's go to app.js and start importing our React router stuff. So import, we want create browser router, and we want create routes from elements And we want routes. I don't know if we do routes or route, like with an S. I think it's just route. Yeah, I think it's just route. Or maybe, yeah, I think it's just route. So route, and we need router provider. All right, so let's organize this a little bit. All right. And I might as well organize, import my pages, because I'm definitely going to need them. And I like keeping my code organized. So pages. Oh, wait. Okay, pages. And alright, so I'm going to import home from there. This can go way down there. I'm going to import. Alright, so we got destinations. Alright, why is this purple? That's weird, right? Why is that? I mean, why is this not purple? Did I spell it wrong or some shit? That shouldn't be. Whatever. Alright, import about. Import cruises and contact. Import contact from there. I don't know why this one is purple. Maybe I just try to start over. That's weird. That is very weird. Hold on. That's weird, but it is what it is. I got an error though, so I don't know. It's something that I messed up. Let's see what the error is. So we got parsing error, line 7. Huh. Line 7. That took that away. Home, cruises. Parsing error, unexpected token, 1210, line 12. Let's remove this right quick. Do that. That is so weird. What is going on? Oh! Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh my god, it's from React Router down. I forgot to add that part. So import home from there, and now everything should work. It's perfect. Alright. Move this up. And let me go ahead and add my component. Components. God. Alright, component, and I'm gonna add the nav bar. So import nav bar from and dot slash component slash navbar. All right, so I think we got everything we need to start creating our routes, getting our nav together. So all right, so first thing is I gotta do const router, and I'm gonna equal that to the create browser router function, and then for that parameter it's going to be create routes from element, and then in that parameter it's like parameter inside parameters. It's just so weird. All right, so create browser router, create routes from elements, and then in here I'm gonna have my routes. So I don't know, do I return? I gotta see something. Okay, create browser router. Let's see how they got it. This is why I got this open, because I knew I was gonna like get stuck somewhere. All right, so create browser router, create that. I got my notes, so just in case. Anyway, so all right, element. Let me see something. So I know how to do that, the path. So I'm thinking here we just state. Let me go down to route, because I know next is definitely route, and that's new, so. Alright, route. Where is it? Okay, here we go. This is what I need. So in here, we gotta set up our route. So route, and this one is gonna actually have a closing tag, because inside we gotta nest other routes. So route, and the path is going to be that for home, and the element will be our nav bar. Nav bar. Perfect. Now in here, gonna add our routes. So route, and these ones are gonna have closing tags. So route, index for home. This is the first one. Element, and this one is gonna be home. All right. Perfect. And then routes, path. What should come next? Should we do destinations next? Destination, element, destinations. All right, I'm just gonna copy this so I don't gotta type all that again. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this one can be, so the next one, let's do cruises. Cruises. And next one can be about. Contact for the last one. All right. So I think that's, organize this a little bit. I think that's all I need for here. Let me, down here we gotta add our router provider. Self-closing tag, and we need to have router, pass it a prop of router, and router, like that. So I think our routes is all set. Everything on this page is being used, it looks like. Nothing is, I think I'm good. Let's go ahead and see if we got any errors. Yep, we do got an error. Let's see what it is. So expected string classification. Where at? What? Okay, element type is invalid. Expected string. Like we forgot. Export your component from its. Okay, so I probably forgot to export something. Hold on. Oh, yep, I did. This right here. So not that one. RC. I always get it wrong. RFC. Now it should work. There we go. All right, we got a nav bar. Perfect. All right, so now I think that's complete with our routes is all set up. Everything is good on our app.js for now. Let me, because I'm pretty sure once I build this project, it's going to be more that come here. So let me just organize it a little bit. React router func. I don't know. All right. Got pages, components, and up there. All right, perfect. So let's go to my JS, navbar.js, and let's import some stuff. So first thing, let's import nav link and outlet. Let me not forget this time. React router DOM. All right, perfect. All right, so I kind of want to challenge myself a little bit. I was thinking about doing this since yesterday. So instead of, creating a normal nav bar with the list items and, UO, it's still going to have a UO and a list item, but I kind of want to use the map method to iterate through an array of objects to create the nav bar. I've seen it done before, and I definitely want to try it because it's basically, taking what I've been learning in my bootcamp. Instead of just creating, just a nav bar, I can just iterate through in an array of objects and try to create it. So I'm gonna come up here to component, and all this should be in one folder. I don't know why it's doing this. All right, so let's do navbar menu items .js. All right, so I want to create the menu item. So cons, I want to export it to export cons navbar menu items, and this is going to be an array of objects. So let's do title, maybe. I don't know. Let's do title. Title is, let's do home. And I don't know. Oh, it gotta be a string. It's gotta be a string. It gotta be a string. I almost forgot. Title home. And let's do title home. Let's do class name. I probably should have planned this out. This video is gonna be fucking long. Class name. I think it gotta be in camel case. Or maybe not. Class name. Let's do nav dash link. And let's do URL. Oh my god. Okay, URL. And this is gonna be that, right? Yeah, that should just be this one. This is home. And now for the icon, I want to go to Font Awesome. And then since I already got it open, do that. See, I planned a little bit. I got so much shit open. Holy crap. Where is index? Let's add that there. Save it. Alright, so icons. Alright, so where is the... Why is this shit not working? Let's go back here. So want a home icon, home, and probably just use this one. All I need is this actually, but it's gonna copy the whole thing. Like that. All right, so we got that. That's one. And basically I'm gonna copy this and copy and create another one. Make sure I get this right. All right, so this one is gonna be destinations. Why do it look like I spelled that wrong? Destinations. Okay. Class name can stay navlink. This can change to destinations. And now we need a destination icon. Destination. So I kind of wanted to use this icon in my logo, so I don't want to use it there either. So it's gonna be weird. Maybe something like this, maybe a map pin. Let's try that. We can always change them. All right. Copy that. Let me just go ahead and just do this. All right. So we got destinations. Let's do about. No, cruises next. Cruises. URL is going to be cruises. And this should be an easy icon. Cruise. Okay, ship. All right, perfect. One of these, I guess. Maybe like that one. All right. Let me make sure I'm recording. We're recording for 35 minutes so far. All right, perfect. All right, so next one. So we got home, destinations, cruises, and about is next. And change this to about. About. can be, I don't know, info maybe. Oh, maybe something like this, square. I hope none of these are, see look, those are fucking pro icons. If it's a pro icon, it's not gonna work. Let's try this one. So I might have to change. I don't know if these was pro or not. I don't know why they trying to charge so much for some icons, bro. Like, it's like $79 a year or something. Like, I'm not about to pay that. You tripping. Contact. Contact. Alright. I like this address book. I think that's it. I think that's all we need for now. Alright, so let's go back. Let's start creating our nav bar. Alright, so this is gonna be hard because I really do not remember how to do this. I'm gonna try to remember, but I got my notes here just in case. Alright, I don't think we need font. Actually, we do need a font. So, alright, so what do I want to do first? So first, let me add, maybe let's add the logo and stuff, I guess, first. Let's return that, and I want to fragment and nav class name nav container. All right, in here I want to add my logo first, but I want to add it with the link. So let me add link. Link. All right, so link. And I want the path. Actually, I don't think it's path. We gotta do 2. So I want 2 equals index. And I'm gonna have it the class name of logo. Tripper. I should be able to see it now, right? Yep. Perfect. Alright, so we got Tripper, but I want that little icon in front of it. This one. Alright, so we got our logo. And now let's add the icon for the hamburger menu to make it responsive. So I'm gonna do a div and give it a class name of should I do menu icon? Yeah, menu, maybe mobile icon or something. Mobile dash icon. All right, so now this is where the hard stuff about to come. So I need my hamburger menu. I probably should use a hamburger, huh? That'd be. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like try to do a funny site with my main like actual site. That'll be hilarious. I haven't seen that done yet. I actually use a hamburger for the menu. It probably. I mean, I'm pretty sure somebody thought about it already. But all right, so mobile menu, mobile icon, and for the in here, I need to do like a ternary is it expression or something, like basically like an if else statement. So let's do I, and then Class name, maybe? Class name. And if it clicks, we're gonna give it a class name of, I think it gotta be the X actually. The X. So we're gonna give a class name. I could just type that, I guess. So FA dash solid FA dash X. And when it doesn't click, I want to give it my hamburger. Hamburger. It's going to be FA dash solid and FA dash bars. All right. Let's close that out. All right, so that's that. All right, let's fix this. So click isn't defined yet. So let's go ahead and define that now. And this is what use state. This is what I've been learning the last week, and I finally got what it is. So use state from React. All right, so we're gonna do a const, and then an array. I'm gonna do click slash set click equals use state, and I gotta set the default, which should be false, I think. All right. Oh, we have to give this an on click actually, right? Do I have? I think I gotta get an icon on click. No, I'm gonna give the div the on click. So let's do a on click equals, I don't know, let's do handle click like that. All right, so cons handle click. I want to do, let's do set click, and I want to do it to think. Need to do that, maybe. I think. Let's try that. Yep, perfect. When you click it, it turns to the X. All right, so that's that. Let's handle click. Everything looking good so far. Let's get it. Only thing is when you click outside of it, I don't like that. See how you click here? So I probably should add the on click to the icon itself. Let's exit out that. Let's see if that works. All right, wait. Okay, so yeah, when I click outside of it, it won't. All right, so yeah, let's do that. So on click that. All right, so that's looking good. All right. So now we got that. Now we gotta do our menu item. So let's do a div. Div dot. And we're gonna do it a class name, and this one has to be a ternary as well. So we got to do click question mark and class name nav dash menu active, and if the default should be nav dash menu when it's not clicked. So that, I probably should do a UL, not div. Let's do a UL. And that'll be better. All right. So this is where I wanted to try out that map method. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't don't know if I can remember. As you guys can see, it took me a while. Just I don't even know if I even did this shit right, but it's worth a try. If not, you know, I could just do the standard UL and stuff like that. So since we're using JavaScript and JSS, I gotta put the brackets. I think I'm doing this right. So let's do. Oh, we gotta import it actually too. Let's import. What is it? Import. Maybe nav menu items. I don't know if this have to go in brackets. No, I don't think this have to go in brackets. Nav menu items from what is that? Dot slash. Oh no, since this is in the same folder, we can just dot slash nav menu items. Alright, let me copy that right quick. Alright, so nav menu items dot map. Okay. And I want to do 2 parameters. I'm gonna do item and index. All right, hopefully this is right. So item and index, and I'm gonna return some JSX. So first thing I'm gonna return is list item with. Should I give this a class name? I probably shouldn't. All right, so list item, and I'm gonna do a nav link, and the path. Actually, it's gonna be 2 equals that. The 2 should be the URL. So since this can be anything, so I can name this my name. So if you know what I'm saying. So, but I just chose item. Actually, I probably should change it. Maybe like link or something. A link. Oh, item is good. Fuck it. Let's do item dot URL. And so that's the path to it. And the class name should equal to item dot class name. And inside it should be what the fuck? Oh, item dot title. Okay, and I think I'm missing one. The icon. Yeah, wait, let me make sure. So yeah, item dot icon, which should be at the top of this. So fuck. Let me fix this up a little bit. Alright, that. And then up here, I want the I with the class name of item dot icon. It's gonna close. All right, so let's see what the fuck we did wrong, because I know I did something wrong. All right, nav bar menu items. Did I export it right? Export const. I think this has to go in brackets. I'm not too sure. Okay. Nav link was not found in React Router DOM. Huh? Oh, this gotta be what's the name, and that has to be like that. Perfect. Let's fucking go. All right, and down here, let's go ahead and. I don't know if I do this inside. Yeah, I think I do it. Let's do outlet. And now we should. I don't know if you guys can see that actually. I probably should come up here like that a little bit. So yeah, it's working. So we got contact, about, cruises. Okay, destinations isn't working for some reason. I don't know why. Destinations. Let's see what the fuck is going on with you. Must have did something wrong with the routes. Let's go check that. Destinations. Oh, I did it with the, that's why. Now it should work. Yep, destinations, cruises, boat, contact, and hopefully this takes us back home. Hey, let's go. We got X. Let's fucking go, bro. Alright. So yeah, we got our map. I mean, we got our, I said our map. Oh, I forgot something. Our index. We gotta add a key. And whenever, every time we map, we gotta add a key. And this will be index. Because I still don't know why we need to do that, because obviously it works without it. But from the videos I watched, they said this is important because it can mess up. I don't know how. Just to keep track of each one in this order. I don't fucking know, but it's working. Alright, so last thing I want to do is maybe add. So when I click on these, I want to add an on click. An on click equals to close. Actually, hold on. So we got handle click. Let's just do close menu. Oh, fuck. Alright, so we got that. And let's add a little function on here. Close menu. And I'm gonna set click. Maybe set click to true. I don't know if that's right. So when I open it, I want it to close. So maybe I should do. So if I open it, I want it to close. So it's when I open it, it's so the initial state is false. When I set click, does the opposite, opens it up. So the on click of the nav link should be false. Am I right or am I right? No, I think I'm wrong. Alright, so yeah, when I click that, maybe I'm doing something wrong. On click, close menu. Set click false. Maybe I should just do click. Okay. Yeah, I don't. I'm overthinking now. I'm just trying to try some shit, but this shit ain't working. Set click, use state. Or maybe I should add it to the UL, maybe? So when I click it, I want it to close the menu. Could have swore I just add true. Alright. Just ignore this for now, I guess. I'll comment this out. Just so I know to go back to it. And I'm gonna get rid of that. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this down a little bit because I'm about to start styling it. So yeah, I think all of that is complete. So this is my nav bar component. And yeah, I'm gonna go back to that because I definitely want these to close like when I click on one. So alright, but anyway, let me make sure everything looks good. So we got our map, everything. Proud of myself, man. Let's get it. So yeah, let's start with the navbar container. Navbar does container. And display flex. Same old crap I normally do. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Gotta import the CSS. Import, what is it? /, navbar .css. I think that's all I need to do, right? Maybe I gotta add the component /component components /css. Okay, I did something wrong. Import. Why is it not working like this then? Maybe I just spelled, maybe that's right. I just spelled this wrong. Yep, I did it. I did navbar CSS is nav CSS. Nav container, sorry. Alright, so we got a nav container and line item center and justify content space between. Alright, and I'm gonna give it padding. I always use this padding on my nav bars. I'll give it a padding of 1.5 rem and 1 rem. Alright, perfect. I think that's good for now. Let's get rid of that hamburger menu. So I gotta go back and look at all the classes that I did. So mobile icon. Mobile dash icon. Display. None. Alright. Now we need nav menu. Display flex. And align item center. Just so it can adhere it when I switch to mobile. But that didn't do anything with this one, so now I want to grab the nav links. Nav link, and I'm gonna give it a gap of 5 rem. That didn't work for some reason. Make sure I did this right. So nav menu. So I gave it a class name of nav link. Nav dash link. So it definitely should work. Or maybe I have to put the gap up here. Yep. All right. I think last time I made a navbar, I think this gap really fucked me over. So I'm gonna comment that one out. And instead I'm gonna do a margin dash left of 5 rem. And hopefully that don't make the contact move. Alright, perfect. So yeah, it didn't move at all. Perfect. Alright. So now I've linked that. And I want to grab that eye element and give it a little bit of margin left because they're too close together. Actually, I probably navbar.js. So we got we're gonna just do I guess. No, I don't want to do that because it can grab that one too. So let's do nav menu I guess. Nav dash menu I, and then let's give this a margin right. Let's do like, I'm gonna do pixels. Let's do like 2 pixels. See how that looks. Alright, that looks better. Maybe 3 pixels. Alright. So now let's bring these up. So let's do font size 1.5 rem. Yeah, it looks good. And let's just try this to look, see how it looks. Let's try to give the background color this color of my navbar container. Background color, that color. I don't think that's gonna look good. I don't know. We'll see. And maybe give the text color, maybe this dark color right here. The nav links. This is all experiment. I might have to definitely switch some things off camera, because this will take me a whole day to figure out, because I'm like, when it comes to like stuff like this, I'm like a perfectionist. You know, since maybe, hopefully, I don't know who's watching this whole thing, but I used to actually create design sites a little bit. Let me show you guys some of my work. I'm not a UX UI designer and shit like that. I'm nowhere near as good, but let me go to YouTube real quick and show you guys. So I used to own like a little small like website. It was called Built Already. And what I did was I used to sell pre-made Shopify stores for, you know, e-commerce stores. So instead of, you know, having to create the site, I created it. You know, it was already created. So here's some of the sites that I made using Shopify. I didn't create it using code. This is one reason why I got into code, is because these are like drag and drop sites, but all these graphics I made with Photoshop, and I'm not really that good with Photoshop. It's, you know, I'm decent, not the best, but that's one reason why I got into coding, is because one of my friends, he also does Shopify stores, and his sites used to look so much better because he used to go like mess with the code and stuff. And like my sites just look so simple. Let me just show you one of them. I don't know. Let's look at. Well, Vero was nice. This was a nice store that I made. Let me cut the thing down. So yeah, this is like a little watch site that I made. And yeah, I used to just sell them on builtalready.com, but I ended up closing down because it was just, I don't know, I didn't really get that much sales, and I used to put so much time into these sites and they didn't really sell like that, so I ended up, you know, just closing it down. But yeah, that's that. I don't want to waste any more time on that. So, but yeah, back to the original thing that I was saying, is me fixing up color and stuff will probably take me a whole entire day. So this might not look good right now, but I'm definitely gonna work on it. All right, so let's grab the logo. And I'm gonna do font size. Oh, we forgot to add fucking font. Let's do 2.2 rem for now. Maybe 2.4, a little bit bigger. I think that looks okay. All right, let's add a font. Let's go to Google Font. Google Fonts. Make sure everything's still recording. Don't want to lose footage. That'd be stupid. Alright. So let me clear out all of this. Alright. So I might go with Poppins. That's like my go-to with everything. I love that font. Where is it? Actually, let me just type it in. What's the name of Tripper? I kind of wanted to be all caps, so Tripper. And where's my baby Poppins? Alright, Poppins looking a little ugly right there. Hold on. Oswald looking good. I'm not gonna lie. I really like Ubuntu, bro. It's just gonna be this again. I used this last time for my nav bar. I'm just gonna go with this one. I really like this font too. So medium, regular, bold. And let's experiment a little bit. Let's add some bold italic. And let's import. And instead of importing it here, I'm going to my universal and import it here. And I'm going to change the font size of font family to the whole entire site to Ubuntu sans serif. All right. Did it change? Sometimes you can't tell the difference. Okay, it did. All right. All right, so that's that. All right. So yeah, I want the logo to be a little bit better. Let's fix that up. Let's do font family. I mean font weight. Let's do 700. And I might keep it undercase, but let's see how uppercase look. Text transform, uppercase. I think I might keep that. Logo and I'm gonna do a margin right. Let's do 3 pixels. Yeah, I like that. All right. So for the color, like I said, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with this color. So I might make the let's see. I might make that little. Let's try red. Let's try red with this one. Color red. Okay, I like that so far. And then maybe I just got colors all over the place right now. I definitely gotta fix this shit up. I got blue for that, black for that, white for that. Maybe darker. Let's try the darker color for this one. Even though that color don't look that bad. See, but you can't tell if it's blue or not. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see? It's a little. Let me zoom it in so. Like it looks black. Let me try this color out. Let's just keep this color for now. I really like that color combination. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that looks nice. All right, that's it for now. For that. All right, so yeah, let's work on these. So let's see how the color look for these. Might be a little too bright actually. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it that dark blue. So like that. And yeah, it looks nice. All right, I'm thinking. maybe I should add a button here. I got so much stuff open. Let me close out all of this. All right, I think I might add a button here. Like maybe like a login button. Yeah, I think I might. So let's do, I don't know if I want to do a link or just make my own button, like link. And then it'll just be, for now, it'll just be 2/ that, and this would be login. Let's see. Okay, login, and another one. Let's do, I don't know. Sign up. Sign up. All right, and maybe put this in its own div. Let's do div dot class name btn container. All right, so yeah, that should be like that, and this should be centered now. All right, yeah, I like that way better, so much better. Perfect. All right, I'm not liking these link colors, man. Fuck. It doesn't look right. It just doesn't look right. It looks like, yeah, I'm not really liking the link colors. If I just do like, I don't think black will look good on it either. I think black's gonna have to do for now. Yeah, for now, that's gonna have to do. All right, so let's work on the buttons. BTN container. BTN it's container. And I'm gonna give it a display flex so I can add a gap to it. And gap, let's do 2 rem, maybe. And BTN A. Sorry about that. This car is so loud. Let's give this a class name with these different class names because I kind of want them 2 different buttons. So class name equals, let's do login dash btn, and let's copy this. Sign up btn. All right, so let's grab this now. Login btn. Let's give it a background color of maybe, which blue did I use? Okay, I use that. Maybe like this blue. Alright. give it a padding of 1 rem, 1.5 rem. I don't know. See, that's the only thing, dude. That's what I fucking hate about it. Hold on. I don't like when shit, center. It throws it out of freaking. Alright, so I don't want it too high. Let's do 0.5 rem for the height. And I think that's a good size for the button. Do color white and a border radius of 10 pixels. That's good. And maybe keep it like that. Maybe change the background color. Is this the one I got already? Yep, that's the one I got. Yeah, that's way too bright. I don't think this red will look good either. Don't look too bad right there. And then maybe do the sign up one. Maybe do the sign up one. We could just copy that. Sign up. BTN. And maybe change this one to this one. Alright, that gap is a little too much. Let's try 1 rem. Alright, that don't look that bad. It looks bad, but it don't look that bad. That gap for these is too much too. Let's change that. Where are we at? Margin. Nav link. Let's do 3 rem. Alright, yeah, I like that. It's just these nav link colors. It's just not hitting, bro. I just don't know what to use. It's just not hitting right. Yeah, that look like it's just been clicked. Like it's just A tag just been. I don't like that color. Fuck. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to go with this for now. Maybe give it a shadow. Let's see. Text shadow maybe. Dude, I had a nice text shadow on my last project. I need to go back and look at that one. But for now, let's just go to text shadow generator. I had a nice one. That was like the perfect text shadow. I need to definitely go back and look at that one. But I don't feel like opening it right now. So we're just going to play around with this a little bit. There's something you can't really notice. But just like a little bit, maybe like right there, and that's horizontal. All right, let's just try this one for now. This might look weird. Yeah, that looks horrible. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add a text shadow. Yeah, I don't like that. No text shadow for that. No text shadow for that either. Dude, I gotta, you know what? I might go back and look at that. Not with this video, but definitely gonna go back and look at that. Because I had the perfect text shadow in my last video I made with the navbar. I was like perfect. No, it wasn't with the navbar. It was with the little side project where I created the hero section. All right, so that's that. So now it's just think left is just to make it responsive. So I have a save bookmark on Stack Overflow that helps me with this. So I use this one here. Media queries. I probably spelled that wrong. Yeah, I knew I spelled it wrong. Media queries. Alright, so let's do at media only at max 768, and I'm going to let's do dot nav dash menu. I'm gonna do a position fix. Probably should be looking at this. Position fix, and we're gonna have to play around with this. Let's do top 5 rem. Yeah, we definitely have to play around with that. Let's do I think maybe display flex direction column and a width of 100%, and let's give it a background color of and maybe give it a height of 100%. Like that. Alright, that's good. And now let's get rid of it. Left. And we're gonna do 100%. So we can get out our face. Now I'm gonna do nav dev dash menu active. Oh, dot active, sorry. Dot active, and I'm gonna do left 0. This is where the magic happens. Oh wait, I gotta add my hamburger menu back. So these buttons, I need to figure out how the fuck to get them inside the nav, because like, let's see. So we got button container. Let's check here. It's probably one reason why I should have gave this a div. Can I wait, I think I can. Let's change this to a li, right? And then let's exit out that, and then maybe add it in here. I don't think that's gonna work, cause okay. Alright, we're gonna play around with this a little bit. Alright, and let's get our hamburger menu back. Mobile icon, mobile icon, and display block. And we gotta fix that up a little bit. Okay, so we got our buttons in there. And it's there. Let's fix that up. Let's do a width of, I don't know, 5 rem. Let's see how that looks. Oh no. Give me the height. Wait, what? Hold on. So I want to make this look bigger. It's not going. Let's do a height around. That's the thing. Oh, I think you have to give this a font size of. Yeah, okay, so I gotta give this a font size. So font size, let's do 2 rem. Okay, that don't look too bad, but that don't look too bad. Maybe 3 rem. Nah, that's way too bad. Let's do 2.3 rem. Alright, that looks better. And I kind of want. Okay, that looks good. That X look weird. I don't like that X. Yeah, I might have to definitely fix that. I'm not really liking that X. Alright, so yeah, let's play around with this a little bit first. So get our buttons there. See what we got. Nav bar. Maybe I should let me try something. Let's justify content center for everything, right? So that's gonna bring everything to the center. And then for the logo, I'm gonna do a margin. It's left. Or maybe right, I think. Margin left auto. Maybe right, I mean. Let's look it up. Move flex item to the right. See, margin left auto. That's what I had. So main display flex. Maybe I have to do. Oh wait. What am I doing? That's not it. Let's try this. Gotta look at the time because I gotta go pick up my son soon. Margin left auto. Logo. Huh. Maybe margin right. Okay, we got that. Perfect. And maybe do the same thing with the nav menu. No. Oh, wait. Maybe do the same thing with the button container, but do margin right. I mean, margin left. Auto? No? Hmm. And margin right auto, perfect. And then here for the button container, let's give it a margin left auto. Nope, that's not working. Alright, I'm trying to think. How do I get that over there? Line. Align self flex in? Nope. What the fuck? Okay, let's see. Let's try something. Gap auto. I don't fucking know. So I want to make this go over there because I need it inside here so when I open it, it's there, the buttons. Nav menu. Button container. I want that to go. Maybe I have to make. Okay, so the nav menu is already a flex box, right? Okay, no. Yeah, it's already a flex box. So let's do. Yeah, I don't. I thought this would work. Let's see if it moves though. Let's do 90 rem. Oh no, what the fuck? Nah, no. Okay, so it does move. Maybe I should just do a fixed riff. Let's do. Yeah, that won't work because it's gonna move that. I was about to just try to move it to the right with that, but that's not working. Oh! No. And then maybe a line. Margin left auto. Maybe it'll work now. No. Margin right auto. No. Hmm. Yeah, this is weird. Alright, let me think. Maybe if I add a div around this. Let me just see. This might mess things up a little bit though. But we could just fix it if it does. It's not working. Okay. Alright, just so this video won't be 5 hours long, I'm just gonna switch everything back and keep the buttons and just display none whenever I go to mobile. And then I'll just figure that out off camera. Alright, so let me just switch everything back if I can remember. Let's go here and want this to come out of the UL. So like that. And I want this div removed. Where is it? I want that div removed. We got that back. And let's just display none on the button container. Alright, display none. Okay, for the mobile icon, let's give it a transition. 0.3 seconds. Ease and out. See if that makes it look a little better. Nope. Oh, I think I have to do a transition off. Maybe add the transition to here. Alright, that's not working. Exit out that. And let's add a transition here. I know this will work, right? Alright, perfect. And it's coming from the right. I kind of want it to come from the left. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's do right. I don't know. It's like opposite on my computer for some reason. Okay. Alright, hopefully you guys can see that and it's not messing up. Alright. Alright, perfect. That looks nice. Not gonna lie. That looks nice. Alright, so now I want to add maybe like an active. So React Router has a built-in active thing, so we don't have to do anything. So we'll just do .nav dash link dot active, and let's see if it works. Let's give give it a color of white. Let's see if it works first. Okay, so yeah, when you click on one, it goes to white. So I think I might have it this little color here. Like that. Maybe I should do red. Let's try the red. That looks a little bit better. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. All right, let's. These buttons are a little too small. I'm not gonna lie. Let's fix it up a little bit. Let's do the font size. I didn't even change the font size. Let's do 1.2 rem. A little bit bigger, yeah. Let's do the same for this. Yep, that was perfect. Alright, so we go, and it should close when I click on a thing, but I don't know how to get it to close. Let's add an on click to. Did I comment it out? Okay, close menu. Let's add an on click to here. Because last time I added an on click to the nav menu. I'm just gonna do the whole entire UL and see if it works. Close menu. Alright. Now let's comment this back in. And now let's see if it works. And this should be false, because that's our initial state. Let's see, click on one. There we go. That's what I want right there. You go to about and it closes. You go to destination, it closes. That's exactly what I want right there. It's perfect. Maybe I should change the icon colors. Nah, I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm overthinking it now. Oh yeah, that looks nice. I think that's about it. That X just looks weird, man. I'm about to change that. So what's the class for that? Where are we at? Where are we at? Okay, right here. Let's edit this. Copy. Now let's see if we can change that X. I think we can do it outside the media query. Wait, we gotta do, okay. I think that's it. And we'll just do font size, let's do 1 pixel, see if it goes down. Okay, yeah, it did. Let's do, so what size do I got the hamburger menu? 2.3 rem. Let's do 1.5 rem. It throws it out of. That X looks so weird when it's that big. I just want it to be. How big that looks, man. Maybe I should just bring it down in general. Let's do 2 rem. See, that looks better. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, that looks so much better. See, I'm gonna keep it like that. Alright, so yeah, I wanna give this better. Let's do nav menu. Comment this out right quick. Actually, let's just, I think I could just give it a, I kind of want to make it come in a menu, middle. Should go with that, but it's not gonna work. Oh, I think I could just bring the top. Let's do top 6 rem. See if that brings it down. Nope. Let's do 5.9 rem. Get rid of that white. Let's do 5.8. Do 5.7 just to be safe. All right. Yeah, I think this looks good. This look good. I like it. That's the nav bar. And next is just gonna be the hero section, but I might do that off camera because that's gonna require me going to Photoshop, messing with some things. So look, let me tell you guys, I thought about something and I'm gonna attempt it. So before I go, let me just go ahead and, so this is the final result of it. So before I go, this will be on my GitHub too, if you guys want to check it out. So before I go, I want to show you guys what I'm thinking about doing. So I am thinking about, so you see this image here, let me bring it up some. So I already told you guys that I wanted to like have text going behind them. I was going to do it in Photoshop, but I think if I cut these people out, right? If I cut them out and then keep the background, but also keep the original image, like just like this. So cut them out, and then in CSS, or I guess React, I add both images. So I have the original and then I have the cutout version of the people. And then in CSS, add the text in, or I guess I can do it in JSX, add the text in between the like the original image and the cutout version, and then give the cutout version of z index of like, I don't know, 99, and then have the text on top of it, and then it'll look like it's like behind them. The only reason why I want to do it that way is because I want to have like an effect to maybe like whenever I hover over it, it like jumps or so. It'll look so nice, and I really think that's gonna look cool. So I want to try that, play around with that a little bit. I don't know if I'm overdoing it, but who cares? It's all practice. All right, so yeah, that is day 39. So it's an hour and damn near 2 hour video. Peace out, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in.